Entry Doors Metairie, Louisiana, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for every home. Whether you need energy-efficient doors or stylish fiberglass doors, we have a wide selection to meet your needs. Door repair services in Metairie are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entryways. From door frame repair to door jamb repair, our skilled technicians handle all types of repairs with precision. We also offer door hinge replacement and door lock installation to ensure your doors operate smoothly and securely. Custom entry doors in Metairie offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's entrance. Our design team provides door-style consultation to help you choose the perfect wooden entry doors or steel entry doors that match your aesthetic preferences. With options for door glass inserts and door painting services, your entryway will make a lasting impression. Energy-efficient doors in Metairie are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our selection includes doors with superior insulation and sealing properties, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Door weatherproofing and door sealing services further enhance energy efficiency. Storm doors in Metairie provide an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. Our durable storm doors are designed to withstand the elements while enhancing your home's security. We also offer patio doors that blend seamlessly with your outdoor spaces, providing easy access and beautiful views. Entry Doors Metairie is an essential component of any door installation or replacement project. We offer a wide range of door hardware options, including handles, locks, and hinges, to complement your door's style and functionality. Our door security solutions ensure peace of mind for you and your family. Door refinishing in Metairie is a cost-effective way to restore the beauty of your existing doors. Our door refinishing services include sanding, staining, and sealing to bring out the natural beauty of wooden entry doors. For a fresh look, consider our door painting services, available in a variety of colors and finishes. Door threshold repair in Metairie is vital for maintaining the integrity of your entryways. A damaged threshold can lead to drafts and water infiltration, compromising your home's energy efficiency. Our door threshold repair services ensure a tight seal and smooth transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Door alignment services in Metairie address common issues such as sticking or misaligned doors. Our technicians use precise techniques to adjust door frames and hinges, ensuring your doors open and close effortlessly. Proper door alignment also enhances security and energy efficiency. Door insulation in Metairie is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our door insulation services include the installation of weather stripping and door sweeps to prevent drafts and heat loss. With our expertise, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home year-round. Door-style consultation in Metairie helps homeowners choose the perfect doors for their homes. Our experts guide you through the selection process, considering factors such as material, design, and functionality. Whether you prefer fiberglass doors or steel entry doors, we ensure your choice complements your home's architecture. Entry Doors Metairie add elegance and natural light to your entryways. Our selection includes a variety of styles and designs, from clear glass to decorative patterns. Door glass inserts not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your doors but also improve visibility and security. Door jamb repair in Metairie is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your doors. A damaged door jamb can affect the door's operation and security. Our door jamb repair services address issues such as cracks, splits, and misalignment, ensuring your doors function properly. Door hinge replacement in Metairie is necessary when hinges become worn or damaged. Our technicians provide expert door hinge replacement services, ensuring smooth operation and preventing further damage. We offer a variety of hinge styles to match your door's design and functionality. Door lock installation in Metairie is a critical aspect of home security. Our door lock installation services include the latest in door security solutions, from traditional deadbolts to smart locks. We ensure your doors are equipped with reliable locking mechanisms for peace of mind. Door sealing in Metairie is an important step in preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our door sealing services include the application of weather stripping and door sweeps to create a tight seal. Proper door sealing helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment and reduces energy costs. Fiberglass doors in Metairie offer durability and low maintenance, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Our fiberglass doors are available in a variety of styles and finishes, providing the look of real wood without the upkeep. They are also energy efficient, contributing to lower utility bills. Wooden entry doors in Metairie provide a classic and timeless look for any home. Our selection of wooden entry doors includes a range of designs, from traditional to contemporary. With options for custom finishes and door glass inserts, you can create a unique and inviting entrance.